YouTube, man? We back at it today, about to work and get it in, man. I'm telling y'all, make sure y'all enter to win into the Silver Bullet giveaway. We are almost sold out. We just got to get the last spots filled in, man. We are closer than close. Make sure y'all grab any one of the keychains or the hats on the website. That's only going to enter you into the Silver Bullet giveaway with the truck and the bike. If you're trying to enter to the handlebar giveaway right there, you got to copy a $5 slide-in sticker. That sticker is going to enter you into that giveaway. But we're about to get in the garage and get some stuff done, man. So let me show y'all what's going on. Yes, sir. We got the garage with the lights looking good early morning, man. We got that fresh paint from Antonio with that nice silver. We're about to go ahead and unwrap that, but we got to clear the garage out. So I'm going to pull the car out, move my truck, get some parts out the other truck so we can get some stuff done today, man. So stay tuned, y'all. We're about to make it happen, man. Yes, sir, man. We have to open the garage. Y'all see we got the paint set right here. We're going to get that bust out, the plastic, but we have to move these cars, man. We done got the whole yard clean. We leave free, ready to take over the world. We got to sit here. For real, though. We got to clean all this up out the street, man. Y'all see what's going on. This shit is crazy, but we getting there little by little, y'all. Little by little, man. We got to get this work in, get this stuff cleaned up. Man, it's so damn cold. I need to, I'm about to hook this propane tank. We got the Mr. Heater, the double heater joint. That's crazy. With the RV propane tank. I got enough propane in there. I hope it lasts. It should. With this little space in the garage to keep it warm at least, because it's cold as heck up in here. So we finally got the heater going. Shout out to my boy Kid. I be doing the gardening services I be with. Cause man, we got this thing right here, super hot, and I got it on high. At first I had it on low, then I put it on medium, then we got it on high now. So I'm not gonna use the other one cause that one is really honestly doing the job. So I'm honestly happy to tell y'all don't even know, man, cause I swear to y'all, me being in that storage facility just made me appreciate all the smallest stuff. Me having this light, me just being at the house, I don't have to spend no gas to go from my bed to the shop. So it's just like straight walk to the garage. Then I finally got some heat, so I'm not in there freezing. And then even if it get hot, I mean hot in here, I could just get the fan and cut it on or whatever. So it's like, it's just different, man, you know? But we're growing the elevator, man. That's what we got to do. So now we got that out the way. Today's objective and mission is to honestly get that blue Road King started, do the oil change on that joint, and then to get this thing complete right here. The only thing that I'm missing for this thing is a top piece that go right here. Besides that though, that's all we got to do, man. But like I said, we about to get this working and get this thing on the way, man. We got a lot to do. I honestly haven't been able to really work in here and do it like what I'm doing right now because I've been freezing. And now I got some heat in here and make it that much better. And then I was able to pull my car out to get some more space. So we're about to get this thing on the way. My guy also went ahead and got a fresh wrapped seat, man. He already had did, I think, this piece, but he got everything redone again. So it's looking good. But we're about to get this joint on the way today, man. That is the ultimate goal. I'm telling y'all, we sliding, not hiding. Y'all see what's going on. And I'm gonna tell y'all, we got the handlebar given away. A lot of people are getting in. So I'm telling y'all, we can literally sell out in a day, like literally. So get in to win it, man. $5 you can enter to win into the handlebar giveaway. All the bars are size 18. I only have chrome and black. Really, the chrome is very low, but I have majority black. But like I said, you're always able to get them powder coated to whatever color your bike is, whatever color you want it to be. But like I said, man, get in to win that. We also got the Silver Bullet giveaway that's still going. Copy you a Built by Dre keychain, a sliding keychain, a sliding out hiding keychain. All the Kicks by Dre hats are sold out. So any of those 3 keychains will enter you into the Silver Bullet giveaway. That will be the 2015 Lifted Chevy Silverado paired together with a 2019 Roadglide that we are building right now. As y'all can see, that is the bike. We're gonna work on that joint today too. I'm gonna strip the harness off and get it ready for the frame doctor and all that today. I can't get the exhaust off because the way the frame is, so it gotta stay. And I've been through that before with them, so they don't mind that. But for that bike, we got the paint set right there. The gas tank is at the paint, and I got the bags at the paint. So everything is on the way. That's the side panels, the front inner fairing, outer fairing, the rear fender, the side covers, everything for the dashboard. The 23 wraparound is in the house, but I'm gonna take it to Antonio tomorrow morning. So stay tuned for that, because I got my boy, everything's regular. Paint set too. I just have to move it all out here right now. He got these boxes right here. I'm gonna take it apart from him and get his dropped off too. That stuff is empty. But yeah, we're about to get all that stuff on the way. We have to just move everything out today to get some space, because I'm telling y'all, it was super cramped up, but it's all good. Everything is about to get handled and situated, man. I'm motivated and gassed up as always, man. We got to take action and go for it, because it could be here tomorrow. Literally, we could be in the Bay Area tomorrow on this joint, riding and sliding. And y'all know this motor is built. I never rode it, so we can get that first start up hopefully today and get that thing on the way. We also can get a first start up on his joint. That bike is also built, and that bike has to immediately go to the dyno. As soon as I complete it and get it running, fired up, I'm not even going to test ride. I'm gonna just ride it like just back and forth to make sure everything is functioning and going through the gears and everything and whatnot. But after that, we are on our way to the dyno shop, y'all. So like I said, stay tuned, man. We are working, getting it in, making it happen, man. So I ain't gonna lie, finally got in my zone and feel comfortable to get this work done. I feel so much better. This warmness got everything to do with it, and I'm finally hot trying to take this jacket off, because I got on a long sleeve, my crew neck, and a sweater. So we got that going. But let me fill y'all in with what we've been doing. I was going through hell because I usually have these small little funnels to put the fork fluid from there into the legs. So it super confused me. I have to pour it in the cup to, it was just confusing, but I have to do it a way for me to understand it. But we got that done. We got the rider mount inside of there. We got the legs finally fully bolted and torqued down. We got the crash bar on there now too. So right now I'm about to go ahead and take the rotors off of that one. If they don't work, I got another set of rotors in the back I can put on this front wheel. So we're gonna get that 21 on there. Then we're gonna take that back rim 18-inch off of there and put that onto here. We're gonna just clean it up so we can get it nice and clean. After that, we got the exhaust we gotta put on, finish putting on the shocks and all that good stuff today. And then after that, we're gonna finish the bars and everything. So we should be almost there, at least today. My thing is have this thing off of this jack stand onto the floor with everything bolted, waiting on this last piece up here. And I'm still honestly waiting on the shocks, but I told myself I can't keep waiting. I have at least one shock. So we're gonna get some later today, but I want everything else to be done out of the way. So that's the only thing I'm waiting on. But besides that, this only top piece I ordered, it should come in the mail either tomorrow or Sunday. So besides that, we got it going, y'all. I'm telling y'all, we getting this work in. Got it on the way, man. Getting it in, dog. But we working, man. We working. Man, this stuff is crazy, y'all. We done got some progress on the bike. The front end is coming together and it's looking that much better than I've been looking at it. And I have to just look at the picture when I first got it from the auction out here in California. This thing was whooped. It had no front end, no nothing. But we done brought that thing back to life, y'all. You already know what's going on, man. We got that front wheel on there. I had the legs on there. I had to put the fork fluid. We got the fork fluid in the legs. We got them torqued down. We got the rotors on the front, 21. We got that brand new meaty tire on this joint. We got that thing wrapped in there looking good, man. That thing is blacked out. I would have honestly blacked out the crash bar, but I already got it on hand. I don't want to go to LA and be waiting forever. I didn't take that with the stuff I took yesterday because that stuff I took yesterday could take over the weekend and I could possibly finish this bike over the weekend since this last piece is coming today or tomorrow. So that's the whole thing I'm trying to be ready for. But like I said, we're making progress, man. We got that front end looking very good, man. That 21 is beefed up. This thing is coming together, man. These LED lights is just doing it. Y'all don't even understand, man. It brings so much light to this stuff, but it's cool because I don't have to have this open with everybody looking in here with all my stuff. I get to have these lights and keep it closed. With the heater, I now have off because I got so hot, but it's good, man. This is what we work for, so we're getting there. We're going to come back. I got to go get some food, my boy Ace, real quick. But once we come back, we're going to put these bars on, get them joints complete. I got brand new grips in the house with brand new mirrors. We're going to put the cluster. The only problem that I do notice is I don't have a ignition. So we got to get this thing figured out because I have the broken one, but it's snapped off. So we're going to get that finished up, though, man. But this 2015 Roadglide is definitely looking good, y'all. This thing is looking juiced up. We got it going. That thing is definitely going to be up next. But stay tuned, man. Like I said, get in and win it today only. You go on BuiltByDre.BigCartel.com, man. Get you a SLIDN HIDN keychain, Built by Dre keychain, or a SLIDN keychain is going to enter you into the Silver Bullet giveaway paired together with the 2019 in a truck. Or you get to enter to win into the handlebar giveaway. The deadline for that is going to be in 13 days, 12/22/22, man. So stay tuned for that. Get in to win it, man. I'm telling y'all, it's going to be so epic and big. I can't wait for y'all to understand and see it. But gotta wait to the end, man. I'm telling y'all, we going up, man. You already know what's going on. We working, man. Yes, sir, man. We back in the garage, man. I done got some food. I was feeling good. At first, I was feeling lightheaded, man, so I have to get me some food. But we energized up, ready for war now. But yes, sir, man. We got this thing looking good. We about to finish it up. Putting that front fender back on there for the final time to stay on there. So we about to put Loctite on those bolts. We got this thing on there. I would spin it, but the front with this weight, then got the whole front drop down. So we're going to put that front fender in the handlebars and tighten all that stuff up. Then we're going to go ahead and go to the back of the bike and get that swing arm. It's already bolted on. I got to take it off because one of the rubber mounts is off. So we got to take that off, put the rubber mount, the shocks on there, bolt that up. Then we're going to put the bags, side panels, rear wheel, exhaust, and we're going to be that much complete with the floorboards on there. So stay tuned. We're getting it in, making it happen, y'all. We got everything right here. So all we got to do is execute, man. So that's all we on right now. Execution style, y'all. We got to get it in. But yes, sir, man. We about to make it happen, man. We sliding. You already know what's going on. So we tried to get the front fender on there, and it looks like I got to get me some risers for this. I didn't have to do it on the last 2019, so I don't know what's the difference on here. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but it's good. Let me show y'all what we're looking like. So basically, I can get this side bolted for the fender, but when I do this side, it tilts up. So I got to get some risers on that joint, maybe because it's a brand new tire, I guess, or I don't know. But y'all see what's going on, man. This thing is definitely looking good, y'all. It's definitely looking good, man. I'm loving it, man. Let me know what y'all think. This thing is looking iced up, man. That's crazy. I can't wait to see them bright LEDs, man. I'm telling y'all, we getting it in, man. Y'all see what's going on, dog. Yes, sir, man. We done woke back up. I had to get me some sleep. And after that, we juiced back up, man. We got it going. I just left Harbor Freight. I was talking to my boy, Built by Ray. He gave me a smart idea. I got these lights up here, which is super cool, but I need these ones on the wall to aim this way. So we got two right here on the floor. You already know, man, we gonna get to it immediately. We cannot wait and play with it. So we gotta get to it because we got some good lighting in here right now and I'm loving it, but I know it could be better. So we gotta keep improving everything. So we about to get that. And then I was struggling with some Allens earlier. So I just went and got some more of these. And that's the whole thing about it, man. I gotta have a good set of tools doing this work because you lose things, you misplace things every day, all day. But we left off right here, putting the whole front end on with the bars in the front wheel. We took the back rim off of there that we putting on here. We got to just clean that up. So I'm gonna most likely wait until tomorrow because it's super dirty. But we got it on the way, man. We're getting it going. Y'all see what's going on, man. We're making it happen. I ain't gonna lie, man. It is crazy, literally lit in here. It's super bright. I got that one on the wall like I wanted. We got additional one right here in the center. Because I know at first it wasn't really too much light over here. So now we got light on this beauty right here. To where now it's all being full effect. But like I said, man, I am loving it because this thing that fully transformed. Yo, we got so much light in here. It's crazy. Like, it's unbelievable. Unbelievable, but it's good, man. I'm telling you, we're getting it in though. So tomorrow we're gonna basically finish off with this thing with the back wheel, the back suspension, with the seat, and we'll be good to go. Hopefully we can get a first startup, man. But stay tuned, we got it going. It's looking good. Y'all see it transforming right here in y'all face, man. Y'all see it, man. It's unbelievable. I'll put a picture up of what it used to be and what it used to look like, and y'all can see the transformation from then to now. But like I said, man, make sure y'all enter to win into the Silver Bullet giveaway. Like I said, we got a powder coat there, paint over there, the bike over there on the way. We working, man, making it happen every day in this joint, trying to get it in. But like I said, stay tuned for tomorrow's video, man. We're going to have it coming to y'all from the iLive phone 9 by 9, man.